Myself, Vasundhara Sukla, Assistant Professor in Electrical Electronics Department of Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. In last lecture, we have discussed vector diode and Zener diode. Today, we discuss tunnel diode and pin diode. First, what is tunnel diode? Tunnel diode is a heavily doped PN junction diode. It shows negative resistance characteristics. Negative resistance means when voltage value increases, current value decreases. Tunnel diode work based on tunnel effect. This is the symbol of tunnel diode as shown in figure. It has two terminal device. First is anode and second is cathode. Tunnel diode has invented in August 1957 by Liao. The material used for this diode are germanium, gallium arsenide and other silicon materials. Tunnel diode shows negative resistance in their operating region. So, it can be used as an amplifier, oscillator, and in any switching circuits. Now we discuss working principle of tunnel diode. The p-type and n-type semiconductor is heavily doped in tunnel diode by greater number of impurities. Having doping result in narrow depletion region when compared with normal p-n junction diode. Tunnel diode has a narrow depletion width. Therefore, when a small amount of voltage is applied, it produces electric current in tunnel diode. As the width of depletion layer reduces, charge carrier can easily cross the junction. Charge carrier do not need any form of kinetic energy to move across the junction. Instead, carriers punch through junction. This effect is called tunneling and hence the diode is called tunnel diode. Now we discuss VI characteristics of tunnel diode. Due to forward biasing, heavy doping, conduction happens in the diode. The maximum current that a diode reach is IP, that is peak current, and voltage applied is V of P, that is peak voltage. The current value decreases when more amount of voltage is applied. Current continuously decreasing until it reaches a minimum value. The small minimum value of current is IV, that is called as valley current, and corresponding voltage is called valley voltage. From point A to B, current reduce when voltage increase. That is the negative resistance region of diode. In this region, tunnel diode produce power instead absorbing it. Now we discuss applications of tunnel diode. Tunnel diode can be used as a switch, amplifier and oscillator. Tunnel diode act as a logic memory storage device. It can also used in oscillator circuits and in FM receivers. Now we discuss pin diode. The full form of pin is p-type intrinsic n-type. The diode in which intrinsic layer of high resistivity is sandwiched between p and n region of semiconductor material, that type of diode is known as pin diode. The high resistive layer of intrinsic region provide large electric field between p and n region. The electric field induced because of movement of holes and electron. The direction of electric field is from n region to p region. This is the structure of pin diode as shown in figure. This is the symbol of pin diode as shown in figure. It is a two-terminal device. First is anode and second is cathode. Now we discuss working of pin diode. When the diode is unbiased or zero bias, the charge carrier will diffuse and the pin diode act as fixed resistance. In forward bias condition, the charges are continuously injected into the I region from the P and N region. This reduces the forward resistance of diode and it behaves like a variable resistance. In reverse bias condition, when reverse voltage is applied across the diode, the width of depletion region increases. In reverse bias, the diode behaves like a capacitor. The P and N region act as positive and negative plate of capacitor, and intrinsic region is the insulator between the plates. Now we discuss applications of pin diode. It is used as a high voltage rectifier. It is most suitable for low voltage application. It is also used in switching applications. In next lecture, we have discussed LED and photodiode. Thank you.